well, just allow me to break away for a hot moment from home decor talk and all the other good stuff and share with you some fun that I had last weekend. And if you don't want to hang around, trust me, I totally get it. But you will see some fun and smiling faces if you decide to hang around. So last week, me and the Hubs hit the road for our 2025 family reunion headed to Maryland. And I was so excited because I got to see my grandbabies again from Texas. So that was wonderful. So yeah, I had that little muffin with me. And then the next morning when we got up, we was setting up, we have to, I'm on the committee. So we set up the banners and the grab, our swag bags and everything. And we start preparing for the fun and the games and the events that's to come. So planning a family reunion has always been joyful for us. I'm glad we have our little committee together, and we're doing fairly well with keeping activities going. They had been calling for rain all week, but thank God our prayers were answered because it was piping hot outside, which was perfect for us to play our pool relay. That is always so much fun, and then we just laugh at all the watching everybody run and try to beat the other person, and it's just you can't help but smile and enjoy the fun and the games. But yeah, here's where we always look at saying who's going to cheat and who's not going to cheat, you know what I mean? Mind you, I cannot swim a lick, but I do enjoy getting in there running and playing in the pool. And if we have like pool aerobics and stuff like that, I'll get in. As long as it doesn't go over my head, I am fine in the water. But yeah, we're just really gung-ho at this game, and everybody's shooting for the goal. And looking back at all this fun, it just makes me want to keep doing it over and over again, just to keep having it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to let y'all enjoy this little pool relay real quick. And of course there is a winner declared, but we always got to battle out who really won. And then after the pool activities, we headed on to the skating rink. Yes, everybody that wanted to skate, skated. Those like myself, I sat on the sidelines taking pictures and videos and having a ball watching everybody else skate. So yeah, but normally I would skate, but the last time, I have to admit, I fell and I hurt myself badly. So I just kind of sat this one out this time. And there goes Mina zooming by. And then Lutala, she is only 2 years old, but yet she wanted to get on those skates. So we put her on there, and this little girl the carpet wasn't good enough for her. She wanted to go on the floor. So there my son is trying to help her learn how to skate. So there, everybody's just trying to watch out for falls. And this little muffin here, forget about it. I want to eat her up. That's Nahima, my newest one. And then after skating came karaoke night.
What makes a bird fly?
Again, all fun and games. Nobody's ready to cut a record yet, but that's all right. And then came Saturday, our, big day at the park. So we started off with my cousin did a speech about, she did a beautiful memorial table, which was very heartfelt and touching. As a matter of fact, kind of made us all cry. But it was just a beautiful table she set up for all our ancestors that were, in spirit, they were with us. So that was a beautiful way to kick it off. And then followed with a bunch of ball games in the sun. And this is our group picture that we took. You know, every year we take the big group picture at the park, which was great. And my aunt and uncle, we started taking it in front of our photos in front of the banner. And then all the family members joined in taking their pictures too. But when I tell you the gods of weather came out for us, we were so happy because, mind you, it was supposed to be raining and it did not rain, but we got hit with some serious heat. So after the fun in the sun with the ball, it was time for musical chairs, and we really love playing musical chairs, as you could tell. And our MC for the day was having a ball, and you could see who was the winner now. So yeah, that was always, we got that little traveling trophy for everybody that wins in the sports. And then followed up with some wonderful birthday wishes, which we were happy to celebrate. And it's always, I just had to show my little Muffin again. She's such a darling little baby. I love her so much. But then, you know, we had other little side things like the hula hoop playing. We always do that. That's a fun thing. Not to mention, it's a bit of an exercise too. And then back again in the sun. This time we were playing kickball, and then they played flag football. So that always kept the sports going. I think we were all ready to float away after being in that sun, drinking so much water. But anyway, since we have our sportscaster on board, let me let him talk.
Hey, doing post-game interview. How does it feel to lose?
Yo, I got me one in the box.
I got 4.
Yeah, I ain't give up but one either. So, I mean, we all right, though. As a team, I think we did good. But, you know, next time around, we're going to be better prepared.
They call me Richard Sherman in his prime.
Man.
That's what I was told.
Yeah, so again, our MC was having ball on the mic. And these were the winners of the kickball team. So, yeah, we're going to give them a big woohoo. Yeah. And then, of course, I had to share my family photo in the banner. And after all of this fun in the sun and the day of activities, after this, we were headed to the bowling alley. We always cap our last night off with a game of bowling. Battle of the Sexes is what we do. So I hope you enjoyed my little brief moment of sharing our family reunion with you. And it was just, like I said, a wonderful, wonderful time. And I hope you are planning or going to your family reunion and have just as much fun. So anyway, my name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again. Bye.